Hello friends, this is Nitin and our today's video topic is de-challenge and re-challenge in pharmacovigilance. So in this topic we will discuss about what is the de-challenge and positive de-challenge and negative de-challenge in pharmacovigilance. In this topic we will also discuss about what is the re-challenge and what is the positive re-challenge and negative re-challenge in pharmacovigilance, and we will discuss all these things with a proper example. So first of all we will start with a de-challenge. So what is the de-challenge? De-challenge means stopping the drug after occurrence of the adverse event or at the end of the prevalent treatment. The de-challenge may be complete or partial, that is the drug may be completely stopped or partially stopped, that is the dose of the drug may decrease. It means the adverse event may be completely disappear or maybe partially disappear. So there are two types in the de-challenges, that is the positive de-challenge and negative de-challenge. So first of all, what is the positive de-challenge? Positive de-challenge means the adverse event is stopped after stopping the drug, and negative de-challenge means the adverse event does not stop or does not disappear after stopping the drug. So let us consider one example. There is a patient who is suffering from a headache and he take a ibuprofen for the treatment, and he take the ibuprofen for the treatment and the rashes are developed. If the rashes are disappear after the stopping the drug, then this is called as the positive de-challenge, and if the rashes does not disappear even after the stopping the drug, then this will be considered as a negative de-challenge. So now we will discuss about a re-challenge in pharmacovigilance. So what is the re-challenge? Re-challenge means restarting with the same drug after the stoppage of the drug, and the stoppage is usually done because of the adverse event. So the re-challenge may also be a complete and partial. So there are two types on the in the re-challenge, the positive re-challenge and negative re-challenge. So first we will discuss a positive re-challenge. In positive re-challenge, the adverse event are appear after restarting with the same drug which is previously stopped because of the adverse event. And in a negative re-challenge, the adverse event are does not reappear when we started with the same drug, the drug which is previously stopped because of the adverse event. So we will take one example. There is a patient who is suffering from a headache and he is taken a ibuprofen for the treatment of the headache, and the rashes are developed. The rashes are disappear after stopping the drug, but when the patient restarted with the drug, the rashes are again reappear. Then this is called as a positive re-challenge. And if the rashes does not reappear after restarting with the same ibuprofen drug, then this will be discussed. This will be considered as a negative re-challenge. So in this topic we have discussed about what is the de-challenge and re-challenge in pharmacovigilance. Thank you.